on today, and also Canada, as far as Gibraltar, and also Cyprus as well. Great chance to put Edinburgh on the map.
Absolutely, it's fantastic that Edinburgh gets a chance to stand alongside these other countries and cities around the world. And one of the things I learned yesterday, that the growth in the wreaths, the number of wreaths that are now going out of the Lady Hague factory in here in Edinburgh is almost 25,000 wreaths this year, and by far the area that grows most is the rest of the world, where the expat community all over the world are contacting Edinburgh for the Lady Hague poppy rather than the alternative.
I just think
don't know where, don't know where, but I know we'll meet again some sunny